Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you tired of looking at the same old wallpaper on your desktop and want to have a more personalized look? In this video, I will show you how to change the wallpaper on your Windows 11 desktop, whether it's a favorite image or something completely different. Let's go. To get started, simply right-click anywhere on your desktop screen. From the menu, click Personalize and open the Background configuration page. Here you'll find different options to choose from. Select Picture Mode if you want a specific image and browse either the Windows selection or your own photo library. You can even adjust how the picture fits your screen. Choose Slideshow to scroll through a collection of your favorite photos. Just make sure they're all in a single folder that you can point the program to. You can also control how often the images change, and whether or not you want them to be shuffled. Finally, if you love the rotating lock screen images, you can enable Windows Spotlight to bring the same experience to your desktop and get Microsoft's suggested images.
That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.